son of a bitch and fucking probably in, I don't know what that is there, B, probably B1. Well, hey guys, how's she going today? Well, we went on a little road trip here with Papa. He's right, I can't show you what's on the trailer. He's right there beside the trailer. Oh, that's enough. We'll show him the rest when we get home, right? Pia. Yang. Yeah. What's that? Meow meow. Meow meow. Yeah. Yang. Is that your, oh, and your blanket? Are they fluffy? Yang. Yang. Do you have a meow meow? What do you have, a cow? Yeah, did you bring him? No. Is he fluffy? Yeah. Oh, Jesus, they're seeing what's back there. They can't see that, eh, Key? Oh, boy. Anyway, we went on a road trip here. Dad's putting a bit of air in the one tire because it's a bit saggy. I stayed here to make sure the kids were doing good. And old Straight Pipe Acres give me a call, see what was going on. So we're putting a bit of air in that tire because it was a bit squishy looking there. It must have a slow leak on it because it was pumped up, but we should make her home anyway. Just stopped and grabbed some cashews and some jerky, and about an hour and a half drive home. Are we gonna make it home there, Chief, or what?
Probably not.
Probably not. I like your optimism. Andy, oh, what?
You put your expectations too high, you might get disappointed.
Yeah, just keep lowering and lowering and lowering your expectations until you achieve a goal. Life advice with South Sask Farmer. Anyway, we're at Shoal Lake here, so we got a couple hours home, and we'll talk to you there when we get there.
Some moo-moos!
Who else likes their combines well done? Bet you we could buy that one pretty cheap. Might be beyond our repairs expertise though. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, it's got a big thing coming around whacking the fender here, so I guess we'll go to the tire shop and get that taken off of there then now. Handy. Handy, handy. Handy, Andy. Right? Handy. Nice.
Who's handy?
I don't know. You gotta do something though.
Alright.
Well, we're home. And talk about it more in a little bit here, but this is a Leon 1000, the biggest front loader that Leon produced. I don't think they make loaders anymore. They still make like dirt moving equipment and what have you, but it came off of an 8200 John Deere is what the mounts and everything are for on it. But anyway, it's a Leon loader and a John Deere grapple fork. They advertised it as a 9-foot bucket, but I think it's an 8-foot bucket, which doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things, but yeah, I don't know. That's what I bought anyways, and we just tried to encourage it off the trailer with the little Thomas skid steer, and it's got enough hydraulic power to move it, but it doesn't weigh enough, so the back of the skid steer is coming off the ground. And both of our loader tractors, 4020 and 5020, are quite a ways away yet, moving those hay bales. So we're gonna have to borrow the neighbor's tractor to lift it off of there, I guess, whenever he gets home. But that loader is gonna go on Not that one. That one in the middle. Gonna put it on the 4640. Why? Way heavier tractor. It's got weights and nose tank on it, and I want to keep it just as a tractor for baling and everything that way. But him though, a big heavy front axle on it, and it runs the hay bind, so it's the least tied up one. So the loader's gonna go on there for the winter months and what have you anyways, because I got a few more surprises in store as the year goes on. But Dad brought the skid steer up here somewhere and I don't know where the hell he went. Anyway, we're gonna work on getting that unloaded, I guess, and I'll talk to you a bit more here in a few whenever I find Dad, I guess. Here's one for you, this fucking cocksucking spillway. Someone upstream fucking let some water go, and now we got a half a foot of ice on each side of the spillway to drive over, so that's nice. But anyway, I got a new tractor for you guys to look at here. Look at the power of the 2394. Hear the power shift whining from in here even. Anyway, went and borrowed Dad's buddy's tractor here to lift that loader off the trailer, since 5020 and 4020 are gone, like I said, and the skid steer couldn't do it. So this'll give you an idea how much bigger this other loader is compared to what my other two are, because on this 2394 or 2294, can't remember already, whatever, on this tractor here is a 707 lay-on, the same loader as on 4020 and 5020, and then this one is a lay-on 1000. So we'll see the size difference here when we get over there. But I suppose Dad's probably gonna go get his winter gear on, because it's kind of nippy out. But I guess we'll talk to you here in a minute. So it's a quick attach. Pull those two levers on each side, pulls the pins up, and then you just curl your bucket away. Sits in there on that big bar. Self-leveling, mechanical self-leveling. There's the big braces that go on the tractor, but we're gonna have to do some customization on them, some fabricating and what have you, but we'll make something pretty sweet anyway. But some nice lights to change to LED. And the guy had all the hoses running to the back of the tractor and running them off the SCVs and the levers in the cab. But I'm buying a joystick, 3-function electric joystick to run it with. That'll be in the future, but anyway, we're gonna get this lifted off of here and we'll talk to you here in a few minutes. There, we'll do our comparison here. Can't even get it all in the camera.
Thanks to our best neighbor ever, Kevin, for letting us use the big case.
Thank you, Kevin. The big case, oh yeah, 2294. On the way here, we're talking about how you could hear the power shift whine from in the truck. So
got a good heater.
Good heater. That's a plus. Okay, we gotta be careful here that it doesn't swing over, hit the tractor, or worse yet, hit Lauren's fender trailer. Fender of his trailer, not his fender trailer. I think he's gonna try stepping ahead a wee bit more. Oh, the old case can't lift her. Alright, I better help direct things here. Alright. So we got her unloaded. Judging by how it was all that old girl could do to lift it. We're gonna say there's probably 3,000 pounds of loader there anyway. Not sure what Dad's up to there now, but she's well built anyway. And it's a John Deere grapple fork that someone retrofitted on there. But I'm not sure what he's up to here, so I'll talk to you in a second, I guess. Duh! I remember what he's up to. Half of it's on the trailer yet. Gotta find a place to set them now so they don't freeze to the dirt. There, well, that's that project unloaded. Dad says it won't freeze because the ground's already froze, so I just agreed with him. So, those mount on the tractor and stay on the tractor when the loader's not on. We're gonna have to, that should bolt right up to the frame. But the frame of the 46 is quite a bit lighter and different than the frame of the, well, I guess I shouldn't say lighter, but different than an 8200. But we'll look at this thing more here. Here's the project commences here in the next few weeks. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to working on this. The loader's gonna get a paint job, the tractor's gonna get a paint job, electric joystick in the 46. And what else are we gonna do with the 46? All new interior, paint, a loader. Yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be fun anyways, so I guess you better stick around if you want to see some fabrication, some fab work and what have you, because we're going to do, a lot of this is going to be custom built, so, because they never made an actual bracket for that loader for this tractor, so, I guess, probably where I'm going to leave you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, coming for a road trip. Bye. Tell them, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. So you're a bloody legend. And if you dislike it, you're a bugger nuts.
You're a bugger nuts.
Anyway, I guess, thanks a lot for watching again. Make sure you stay tuned here to see this project come to life, along with quite a few other things we've got in store for you here that I've got kind of planned out. Hopefully it all comes together, but anyway, we're gonna bring Kevin his tractor back and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.